Good morning, sleepyhead. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Mom. Yeah, but I had a weird dream.
What was it about?
I was in school, but the teacher turned into a giant donut.
That's a silly dream. Well, you better wake up now, or you'll miss the bus.
Oh no! I almost forgot.
Hey, how's the homework going?
Ugh, it's so boring. I don't get this math stuff at all.
Math can be tricky sometimes, but remember what we talked about. Break it into smaller parts.
Oh yeah, like when you said to do it one step at a time?
Exactly. You can do it. Let's start with the first question together, and I'll help if you get stuck.
Thanks, Mom. You're the best.
Here is your favorite spaghetti.
Yes! Spaghetti. You know me too well.
So, tell me about your day. Did you have any fun at school?
Yeah, we had a science experiment. We made volcanoes explode with baking soda.
That sounds like so much fun. What did you learn?
That baking soda is like magic. It makes things explode.
I hope you didn't try to make your volcanoes at home.
Nope, but I kind of want to now.
Alright, now time to sleep. Big day tomorrow.
Mom, do you think I'll ever become a superhero?
I think you're already a superhero. You help around the house, you're kind to your friends, and you never give up.
Yeah! I'm Super Son.
Good night, Super Son. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom. Love you.